Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Miner. First, ensure you have the Data Miner browser extension installed. You can find it on your browser's web store with a quick search. Once installed, a small icon, often resembling a pickaxe, will appear in your browser's toolbar. Clicking this icon opens the Data Miner interface, ready for you to begin extracting valuable information from web pages with just a few simple steps. To begin a basic scrape, navigate to the web page you wish to extract data from. Click the Data Miner icon and select Make a New Recipe. You'll then use the row and column selectors to highlight the data you need. For instance, you might select a table row, then individual cells within it. Data Miner will intelligently identify similar elements across the page, allowing you to capture dozens or even hundreds of data points with just a few clicks. For more complex extractions, Data Miner offers advanced features. You can define multiple row selectors to capture data from different sections of a page. To handle websites with multiple pages, utilize the pagination option, instructing Data Miner how to navigate to the next page automatically. This allows you to scrape thousands of entries across an entire site, exporting your collected data into convenient formats like CSV or Excel spreadsheets for easy analysis. When using Data Miner, always prioritize ethical scraping practices. Respect website terms of service and avoid overwhelming servers by setting appropriate delays between requests, perhaps a few seconds. Regularly review your scraped data for accuracy and completeness, and organize it promptly. Remember, Data Miner is a powerful tool for gathering information efficiently, but responsible usage ensures a positive experience for both you and the websites you interact with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.